All right, I am at the magnetic springs in Eureka Springs, and this is kind of pretty. It's so sad with the graffiti. I don't get it. Like, the city should really clean that up. I mean, that kind of ruins the whole experience, the whole, like, ambiance of this. But as you can see, like, there's nobody. I'm surprised there's so much traffic, because I mean, I have seen very few people that look like tourists. Everything I've seen, it seems like they're locals. Anyway, so yeah, that's the gist of it. That's the magnetic springs.